Hi, I'm Navneet Patwari and I'm here to discuss the third chapter, Habits, of the book The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. It's time for some self analysis. We sometimes have to do many things in our life even though they are far against our interest or intentions, and we still succeed in performing those uninteresting things. Do you know why? It's because those things become a part of our daily routine as habits, and we excel in doing those. The author truly believes that habits are the secret of success. His discussion in detail are as follows. 1. Creature of habits. We humans love to play games, and one such game is the blame game. That is, we often blame others whenever we fail to do something. And majority of people fail to win this game. The reason being that the winner is the one who can understand that he or she is the reason behind for everything he or she does. That is, whenever we fail, we should blame ourselves, not the circumstances or the environment. We are the ones who can create or destroy a habit. The direction of our life is also in our control, and so it is our decision as to which habits to adopt. Habits help us to reduce the efforts for the things that we regularly do. Second, find your mojo, your why power. People always say that you need to have willpower to be successful, but the willpower is a temporary factor for success. To be successful, we need to have consistency in our work, and that can only happen with why power. Why power means that knowing the reason for performing your action, for performing or adopting any habit. We can only acquire this power when we can connect our actions with our desires and dreams. It is the power that gives us the strength to face all the obstacles that are waiting for us in our road to success. Third, find or fight. It is believed that we need a positive environment and a positive mindset to win the fights of our life. But history says that even a negative environment with a positive outlook can help us to win the fights of our life. The author means to say that we often require enemies in our life who can challenge us to become the better versions of ourselves. Fourth, game changer. Strategies to eliminate bad habits. The author has discussed some tried and tested methods, strategies to eliminate the bad habits from our life. A. Identify the triggers. First, you should list all your bad habits and find out why, how, when, what of each habit. It helps you to get rid of your bad habits. B. Clean house. That is, removing the inspiration for all your bad habits completely from your life, completely from your surroundings. C. Swap up. That is, swapping up or exchanging your bad habits for an alternative good habit. Lastly, run a vice check. Some bad habits are good for you. So if you just want to get rid of only some of them, then you need to analyze all your habits and find out whether the particular habit is under your control or you are under its control. Change those habits which control you. Let's summarize the chapter. Be responsible for whatever you do and own up for your mistakes. Do not indulge yourselves in the blame game of life. Choose your habits wisely. Choose the ones that make you a better person. Before taking actions, find and realize what are your hidden desires or dreams are. Enemies often play an important role as they challenge you to improve yourself and come out more stronger and bolder. We have come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.